Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw crypto from Kraken. In order to do this procedure, all you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, log in into your Kraken account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. And while you're on the home page, go ahead and select the fundings tab from the top left hand side corner. Next interface, you need to go ahead and select the withdrawal procedure. Just tap the withdraw button and a pop-up menu will appear right in front of your screen. So there you need to select the asset that you're transferring, that you wish to withdraw. Next page, you need to enter in the exact amount, paste in the wallet address where you're actually transferring, and in order to complete the procedure, click on withdraw, which is located right at the bottom. Moving on with the next step, you have the review process where you have to go through the information that you provided. If the information that you provided seems to be valid enough, then confirm the transaction, and it's going to take approximately 10 to 15 minutes in order to confirm your transaction. So that's how you can withdraw from Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.